Today we are going to study very important topic. The concept is the cost volume profit analysis is known as break-even point analysis. Break-even point analysis is the level of sales at which total sales is equal to total cost. In simple word, it is a point when the business is just cover all its costs before BAP is equal to loss, at the BAP is equal to the profit. The basic foundation or basic concept of BAP. To understand BAP, we must first understand the cost behavior. There are two types of cost behavior. First is fixed cost, second is variable cost. Fixed cost means costs which remain constant in respect to of output. Example, rent, salary and insurance. Second is variable cost, costs which change with production of sales. Example, raw materials and direct labor cost. The second concept is contribution. Now we come to the most important concept, contribution. Meaning of contribution. Contribution is the amount of that help to find out the recovery of first cost and to find out the generated profit is called a contribution. The formula of contribution. Contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. Break-even point. The break-even point BAP. The formula of BAP. BAP is equal to fixed cost upon contribution per unit. And second is BAP in sales value. BAP is equal to fixed cost upon PV ratio. The interpretation is at the level of sales, the business are earned the profit. The second concept is PV ratio. PV ratio shows the relationship between the contribution and sales. The formula of PV ratio is PV ratio is equal to contribution upon sales. The importance of PV ratio. Importance of PV ratio. Higher PV ratio is equal to higher profitability, help in calculating BAP, finding profit at a given sales and decision making. Sales at given point. The next concept is important, the sales at given point. Sometimes management want to earn target profile. Formula, fixed cost is equal to desired profit upon PV ratio. Meaning this formula tells us how much sales are required to earn the specific profit. The next concept is profit or loss at given sales. When the sales value is already given, we can calculate the profit and loss. Of this profit and loss calculation, first calculate the contribution, second subtract the fixed cost. The formula of profit loss is equal to contribution minus fixed cost. The practical importance of BAP analysis is break-even point analysis, help management in pricing decision, cost control, profit planning, new project evaluation and risk analysis. Okay, thank you.